Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. First I will create this circular part and this base. Then I will go with remove materials. The diameter of the circle is 45 and 30 mm. Length is 38 mm. This length is 32 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the new videos. Select here extrude, select the plane, create two circles, diameter 45 and 30. So next create this sketch. Select line. Give the dimensions. Here to here 109 and this offset is 12 mm. Next give the dimension of this 41 mm and this height is 29 mm. And here to here 29. This degree is 30 degree. From the center height is 48 mm. And this height is 19 mm. That's it. Finish sketch. Extrude. Select this and this mid plane. First give this length 32 mm. Okay. Give the fillet here first. R6. Okay. Next select the plane, sketch. You can see here there is a one flange. That dimension is 22.5 plus 28. Give the dimension 13 mm. (28). This height is 13. This angle is 104. Finish. Select extrude mid plane. Dimension is 19 mm. Next, select this surface, sketch. Create sketch like this. Give the dimensions. So he center to center 26 and 26. This point to here 26. This is also 26. This is 45 and here to here 16 mm. So finish. Extrude. Reverse the direction. Thickness is give the 16 mm. Okay. Mirror this. Okay. Next, here on cutout is there. Give the dimensions 31 and this is 10 mm. Extrude cut through hole. Okay. Select this mirror. Okay. Next. Here there is a one cutout. Create circle. Diameter 25, depth 2 mm, from the center 36 mm. Extrude, reverse, depth is only 2 mm. Edit this. Okay, select this wall, sketch, create one diameter 12 circle, extrude, reverse, through all. Okay, next here two holes is there, then here two holes is there. First I will create here. The pitch is 22 and 12 mm, dia 6 mm. (13) 22, so here to here 12. Give the vertical alignment, hole, give here dia 6 hole. Okay, next select this surface, sketch, give the dimension, pitch is 48 and 10 mm. Give the vertical alignment. The diameter of the hole is 6 mm. Okay, next here also one hole, extrude, reverse the direction up to next. Okay, next select the chamfer. You can see the all the edges chamfer is there. Here one more feature is missing. Create circle here. Extrude, four mm, 38, 48, sorry 5 mm I think. Mirror this. Okay, now select the fillet, select this and this. Okay, so that's it friends. We can assign the material here aluminum 6061, and also we can assign some good polishes here. So these are all the aluminum standard polishes: aluminum dark, aluminum flat, aluminum polish, anodized black. So like this polishes will come. So now we can change the hole colors here. Select the holes. Like this we can assign some different color for the machining spots. So that's the today's session, friends. So thanks for watching this session. We'll see you in the next session.